Next question is, I want to learn graphic designing. So how can I make a career in it? Yes, Mir, I think you are the right person to answer this.
Actually, see, the thing is that, one thing that I observed in a few of these questions is that uh, for most people, designing as a field, or, as what can you call it, as a profession, it seems very interesting. They want to do something related to that. But I think, what they also need to figure out is that, what about designing is what about design really excites them, because like, even in the earlier discussion that we had, and like how even Anand pointed out that when you say design, there are like thousands of things that you can do with it. There is graphic design, there is which is strictly, all related to text and how you want to use images, and it goes more closer to, advertising and these things. And then again, there is character design, which is, it has got absolutely nothing to do with graphic design. So your sense of typography or text, or these other things might not even be useful over there, because something like character design might be, it will be very different. Since it is very different, it will be used in areas where, there is animation, where there is storytelling and these things. So I think, if you're saying that, you like graphic design, uh, you need to, understand that, it is, even graphic design, it is made up of these few things. As in, there is typography, then, there is the use of proper imagery, how you're going to compose, and how the whole design is going to look in the end. So if you love graphic design, see, making a career out of it is not going to be a problem. Because one thing, that is really nice over here is that you know that you want to make a career in graphic design. When you don't know that, you want, what type of designing, I should take up, then, you're just sort of, shooting in the dark. As in, you have a liking for designing, I want to do something creative, that is what is going on in your head, but you don't know exactly what, so you don't know where to go. So if you're saying that, graphic design is something that you want to learn, excellent. I'm really happy that you know what you want to really, do. So if you know that, then accordingly you can start looking for places which will teach you the best graphic design, the experts that you need to get in touch with. And, automatically, when all these things you start doing sequentially, then, making a career in graphic designing is not really, a big challenge, because everything that you've done earlier on is automatically leading you up to doing it professionally. So